Model 2020 Ldv V80 B110 2.5 TDI clutch gearbox issue needs repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 152355. Engine, 2499 cc SC25R136Q6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, so this is a non-runner. The gearbox has been removed. The customer told us the clutch or gearbox had an issue. The engine was perfect and turned over by hand and feels correct. The gearbox is there but the engine turns by hand. Gearbox in the back, flywheel missing, driveshaft missing. Worst case needs a gearbox and clutch and driveshaft, but the gearbox could be good. We don't know, either way someone will get a bargain.